Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove text from a video in CapCut. So guys, as you can see, I have a video sample over here, and as you can see, we have a text over here that is popping up. So in order for you to remove it, just simply select a frame where there is no text. So from here, just simply go ahead and click on freeze, and after that, we will have this bar over here. And from here, guys, as you can see, we have a text here. So just simply go ahead and put the freeze tab at the top. And from here, just go to mask. And after that, just go to rectangle over here. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here. As you can see, when we move the rectangle, we should be able to see the text. And from here, just simply go ahead and resize the box over here that is showing, and just simply cover up the text on the video. And after that, as you can see, we should be able to remove the text. And from here, just simply select the right frame for the text to be removed. So as you can see, it starts over here. So I'm just gonna adjust this freeze tab up to over here. And from here, when we play the video, as you can see, the text will now be removed. And now, as you can see, we have another text over here. So I'm just gonna simply right click on it. And from here, I'm just gonna copy it and paste. And from here, as you can see, we need to adjust the box. So I'm just gonna click on this tab over here. And from here, I'm just gonna adjust it. As you can see, it is now being removed. And from there, guys, you should be able to remove the text into your CapCut. And there you go. That's simply about it. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.